everyone, these are the colors that I'm going to use. They're leftovers from the previous pour, and where I was trying Floetrol and my medium. So I'm just adding the dimethicone in all the colors, like about 3 drops per color. And I'm using the leftovers using a technique shown by Sandra Lett, which is just a swiping with individual colors. So let's go ahead and let's start. Okay, I'm just going to stir the dimethicone a little bit here in the black and stir all the other colors offline. Okay, now I am just using white as my background, and I am also sharing the recipe for my medium. And also at the end, at the end of this video, I'm also sharing how I make my medium, okay? For those who have requested that information. So I'm using the colors now that have my medium, because they're the lighter ones. And with my palette knife, I'm pretty much swiping them, and I'm using that as a base, so to speak. The rest of the video is self-explanatory, so you don't have to listen to me talk nonsense. So I am going to leave you with some music and enjoy the video. If you have any questions, please, or comments, please come visit us in our group, or post them in the comment section below. And I'm gonna come back and show you the finished pour and the video on how I make my medium. All right. Right, everyone, this is how it dried, and it's already varnished, and as you can see, it's completely smooth. It doesn't have any texture at all, which is what I wanted. And I absolutely love the cell action in here, and just wanted to share it with you. There was a little black tail in here that I covered with the white, and I like it better this way. And for Blaima, who has requested the recipe for my medium, I am going to include it right away. So stick around, and meanwhile, keep pouring.